we'll take one more example. We will add 3 numbers. 14 plus 3.76 plus 20.492. By now, we know the steps we need to follow in addition of the decimal numbers. The first step will be to arrange the numbers one below the other according to the place value. And we have to make sure that the decimals are exactly one below the other. It can be arranged like this. The next step is to change the decimals into like decimals. Here we need to add 0. 14 becomes 14.000 and 3.76 becomes 3.760. The next step will be to add the numbers and start the addition from the rightmost place. Here the addition starts from the thousandth place. Adding 0 plus 0 plus 2. We have 2. Next addition will be of the 100th place. 0 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Here 5 will be written in the result and 1 will be carried over to the 10th place. Next addition will be of 10th place. 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4. The result is 12. Again 2 will be written in the result and 1 will be carried over to the ones place. We will add the digits in the ones place. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0. The result is 8. 8 will be written in the ones place. The next addition will be of the digits in the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3. We will add 3 here. The step 4 of the decimal addition is to add the decimal point in the result in the same place as the numbers above it. Here the decimal will be added after 3 digits from the right. Therefore, the result of addition of 14 plus 3.76 plus 20.492 is 38.252. Let's come back to the story. The grasshoppers had some questions, remember? Let's answer their questions. Ant 1 of Team A had collected 1.34 kg of grains and Ant 2 had collected 1.25 kg of grains. The second point was the member of Team B had collected 2.34 and 3.214 kg of grains. The grasshopper wanted to know the total collection of Team A and total collection of Team B. By now, we know the concept of addition of decimal numbers. Now help the grasshoppers to find the answer of these two questions. Now, let's continue the story. When winter arrived, it was chilly and damp all the time. There was no food outside. Grasshoppers began to starve and felt weak. They asked for some food from ants. The ants went to their queen. The queen calculated and said, "But we have just enough food for ourselves." One of the ants said, "But our friends are dying." "Dear, I am not unkind," replied Queen. We all can reduce our consumption by little amount, said all the ants. The queen smiled and said, "We have 104.34 kg of grains left. We can give them 2.5 kg of grains. Hope you all know how much is left." Though it was not enough for grasshoppers, they survived that winter. They had learned importance of discipline and punctuality. In our subsequent videos, we will learn subtraction of decimals. Happy learning!